Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing question 37 out of 50 of the top 50 questions a child SSI claim is likely to experience at the administrative law judge hearing level in front of the Social Security Administration when applying for supplemental security income. Here we go. 37. Has the child made plans to hurt either themselves or others? Once again, has the child made plans to hurt either themselves or others? All right, what do we mean by this? What we mean is, has the child drawn an image, had an idea, spoken of potential harm to others, had a plan? Do they have, and it could be something that's impossible to occur. It could be like, I'm going to take this other person to Mars and then drop them off there and then come back and leave them there. But has the child made plans, whether completely impossible or totally possible? And why is the child doing that? What is unique to that child's plan that involves their impairment? Why does their impairment influence the child's plan to do harm to others? A super important question. It comes up at hearings involving people that are suicidal, homicidal, etc. A lot of kids that have these tendencies, they'll do cutting of their arms, cutting of their legs. They'll try to harm things. Could be a small animal, could be a pillow. These are important for the judge to understand about the disability claim of the child. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Knott. 8 to 10 p.m. every Thursday. I go live on YouTube. And also, please like, subscribe, leave 5-star reviews, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.